The various treatments for non-surgical facial rejuvenation include the use of botulinum toxin, hyaluronic acid fillers, chemical peels, cosmetic treatments like microdermabrasions and lasers, as well as certain topical treatments like vitamin C serum and retinol. The surgical techniques for facial rejuvenation include brow lift or forehead lift, blepharoplasty or eyelid lift, face lift, neck lift, and nanofat grafting procedures. If you have any doubts, please do write in the comment box section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.